This is Kirby Avalanche with voice acting. This is me at voice acting, so enjoy. Waddle Dee. Hi, Waddle Dee. Are you ready? Can we just walk together? The forest scares me. Sorry, rules are rules. Gotta play. Haha, I found my next victim. Monterbert, you bully, the pleasure will be all mine. Shut up and play. You did not treat Waddle Dee with respect. Now I, Waddle Dee, will repay you in kind. I don't think so. Congratulations, you're a fast learner. I underestimated your skill. Maybe. Now hurry through the forest and join us at the Dream Fountain for the serious competition. Hi, Kirby. Want a bomb sandwich? I'll bring your prophetic bombs and send them right back at you. Stalemate. Okay, let's complete a quick game of Ghost Trap. Really? You call it Ghost Trap? It's supposed to be Avalanche. Sorry. Please don't tread on my roots. It would not be a wise decision. I feel like some apple pie. Who blocks the path with this boulder? Your road to glory ends here. Oh, hi, Kaboo. Are you ready for a game of Ghost Trap? It's Avalanche, you fool. Sorry. Man, people just keep saying Ghost Trap. Oh, what a mess. Must I clean up this entire forest? I'd worry more about cleaning up your Ghost Trap skills first. It's Avalanche. Sorry. Dust, sweep. Huh? Look at this dog. Ignore all ads, please.
Stage. It's very new animation. From what?
I know what your dream is, but King D was saying.
0. They're free.
Go bet on someone else's affair, Squishy. I gotta get you the Dream Fountain.
Look at my swings. My animation.
Ain't armed Ghost Trap for you then, Kirby. It's Avalanche. Dang it.
They also have another. I'd like to die.
To get this far, you must have amazing skills. Oh yeah, I'll try to figure a way out of this.
Stretch. Hello. I've actually
Oh, I'm so scared.
Kid, kid's like, hi. Okay, hi. Let's get today. So let's get kicked.
Let me paint you a lovely portrait.
Yeah.
Oh, how sweet of you. Of you losing to me. Pink Roller, you are the meanest art student I've ever met.
This will be an interesting battle.
Dude, ha! I am the master.
Second hero is like your favorite game now? Don't touch me, you shark!
I am Heavy Mole. Watch while I undermine your precious dream.
Lamp off that head.
You are sneaky, but I will not be distracted by your underhanded tactics.
It has nothing. Second hero has nothing. I know that. I don't know nothing. Me neither. So.
We rule both the night and the day. This leaves no time for you, Kirby. Be gone. I thrive at dusk and at dawn. I'll have you two fighting before the day is done. Rock dance to my diddly music or fry like a moth. Ha ha! You could hit a barn-sized lightning rod, Kracko. None shall pass. In God, Kirby. But I have no sword. Oh, you're so right. The ghost trap it is. Ha 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 ha. It's Avalanche, you idiot. Oh, sorry. Kirby, your dream has carried you far, but here it ends. The dream fountain cup will be mine. Welcome, King DDD, and good luck to you too. Yay, I win. You suckers better die. Congratulations, you win. Kirby is the ghost trap champion. It's Avalanche. Sorry. Kirby! Hey! Yo. Yo, I'm in. I'm gonna defeat you. Credit sequence over.